7th. Cleaned up outside. These are the places across from us. This one's kind of close, but it's the backyard, which should stay this way a long time. Front door. Pond back there. Alright, that's the back. And going in the patio door into the living room. And the nearest house will be 300 feet behind that tall tree in the center of the picture. Last we looked at any rate. Susan's little den. Susan, where the fireplace is. Front door. Oh yeah? That's good, otherwise you gotta come back and, did I look at that? Utility room. Closet. This is the guest bathroom. The guest bedroom. Two closets. Why? I don't know. Would have been better with more space. Hmm?
Our first house guest.
Who? Oh, the fly? Yeah. Lucky there's not 5,000 nesting birds. Sent to the bedroom, master bedroom. That's beyond that studs there is the next door neighbor. Is the view out the bedroom, master bedroom window, sliding doors. Part of this video is so I can remember where all the things are, so I don't put nails into the heating system or pipes or something like here. There's the master bath. The sinks will go, all that good stuff. Another big closet in here, beyond that the garage. And this is the shower, which is going to be glass. We have to take out this area here. We haven't heard any more about the shower, have we? Adam? The shower
What shower?
in the master bath.
The glass?
About the glass.